Hello everyone, Evil here. Welcome to the new video where we are going to take a look at a new member of the RB family from MikroTik, RB5009. As we all know, this highly anticipated product in this series, its predecessors RB2011, 3011 and 4011 were extremely popular with both ISP and home users. So this time MikroTik really stepped up and created something unique. Let's unbox it, and I'm going to give you an overview of what we have in front of us. Inside you will find standard MikroTik manual, protective sponge, device itself. We're going to take a look at that just in a moment. Power supply, K-79 mounting kit, and this little rubber feet if you want to use it on a desk. Let's see the power supply. What do we have here? Insert 24 volt 1.5 amps. I believe this is the same power supply that they used with the RB4011. So yeah, let's remove the box and take a look at the device itself. So here it is. This is the RB5009. Let's take a look at the product itself. This top is plastic, but the rest of it is single piece of aluminum that acts as a device heatsink. You can see we have cooling fins at the back, and aluminum is at the bottom. Here are screws where electronics, the main board of the router is attached to the heatsink. All the components are facing actually the heatsink, so the SoC chip is at the bottom. At the front we have our I/O ports. Let's take a look at that. We have reset button, LED lights, power jack, SAP plus, that's 10 gig port, full size USB 3.0, single 2.5 gigabit copper port, and 7 gigabit RJ45. At the side we have additional power option, so you can use this, the jack, and also you have PoE in, so you have triple power options. So it's really very versatile from that standpoint. Now let's talk a little bit about the device performance. What do we have inside? Actually, this device is utilizing the Marvel Armada SoC. It's the 88F7040, clocked at 1.4 GHz. It's RAM 64-bit. It's quad-core CPU paired with 1 GB of DDR4 RAM. And we also have 1 GB of flash storage. Storage can be expanded with the USB 3.0. And there is also notable about this device that it runs on the router OS version 7 only, so no version 6 only 7. The switch chip model is 88E6393, and overall dimensions of the device are 220 mm by 125 mm and only 22 mm of thickness. It's really small, really thin, little bit heavier due to the heatsink, but that's great. I believe not so much heavier than the 4011. What else can we say about it? Well, it does have one neat trick that really differentiates this device from the rest of its cousins. MikroTik is claiming this is the ultimate heavy-duty home lab router. And why? Give me a second. What I have here is the K-79 mounting option. This is additional option that you can take and use to mount your RB5009 in the rack. But if you follow the instructions of this mounting kit, you can mount up to 4 of these routers in a single 1U slot. So yes, you heard me right. 4 of these in a single slot. So you have options for 1, 2, 3 or even 4 of them in single U. Great idea, MikroTik. I like it a lot. So far I have not used this device in production, so I can't comment a lot about it, but so far what I could say about its performance and behavior, it is nice and it's a good solution for both home lab enthusiasts and for for home use if you like this device. So so far this is all from the RB5009 and all from me. You will sign out from this video. If you like it, like it, share it, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.